Google just dropped its new AI feature called Video Overview. It is outstanding. As a math educator, I can't tell you how beneficial that tool could be. In today's session, I'm going to demonstrate how I take these simple mathematical formulas and change them into fun videos just like this using Google NotebookLM. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And yes, I keep forgetting, so please like, subscribe, and share. So here I am on my Google NotebookLM. I'm going to click on Create Notebook. And here I'm going to drag and drop the text formulas or the text, the document. And you know what? I'm going to name it, just that I don't get confused, I'm going to name it main document. And I'm going to save this. And as you can see, the text or the document or the text file only has formulas and nothing else. But the AI tool actually comprehends these formulas and gives me a comprehensive, analyzes these formulas and gives me a comprehensive guide. And once this is done, here is my new video overview, but I'm not going to click that yet. What I'm going to do is click on my reports. I'm going to create a briefing doc. I am going to create study guide. I am going to create FAQs. And I'm going to let this process for a second. So what I'm doing here is I'm giving more information to this AI tool so it can comprehend. The FAQs take those formulas, analyze those formulas, and give me questions that usually students have. It's going to take those formulas and it's going to give me an overview or a brief document about what that formula is, why is that important, and I have not given any of that information. So let's go ahead and take a look. The first one is FAQs. I'm going to, I'm going to click on my FAQs. And as you can see, it is giving me all the information, tan theta, cosine theta, all of this information is available to me. Once this is done, I'm going to convert this as a source and I am going to rename it as FAQ just so that I don't get confused. And I'm going to save it. It's always a good practice to save your sources so you know exactly what they are. And then I'm going to click on my study guide. And here you can see it's giving me explanation of the reciprocal identities, the Pythagorean identity, negative angle, cofunctions, even odd identities. And once I go through all of this, I'm going to convert this to a source and minimize this. And those were my study guides. I'm going to rename this as study guide. I'm just going to say SG for now, study guide, and save it. And last but not the least, the briefing doc. Quickly take a look. Yes, very good. The main theme, the identities, relationships, all of the formulas are right there. So just simple formulas. I've generated all of this text and data for the AI tool to analyze. Once this is done, it's also giving me an overall purpose. Click convert. I'm just going to leave that for now. It would really take me a long time to compile all these documents, type them in, create slides that make sense to this particular topic. As a math educator, I know how long it takes. So here's my video overview. All I'm going to do is click on this video overview. It does take some time for it to generate. So I'm going to pause and come back and I'm going to show you what the video overview is. It took about 2 to 3 minutes just because the text is very minimal. And here is my video overview. I'm going to click on it and let's see how long the video is. I'm really excited. The video is out 7 minutes, so it would take me so long to create this video. I'm going to go ahead and play this so you can listen. I'll leave a link in the description. That's exactly what we're going to do. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can exactly take a look on how it transforms all these formulas into something amazing like this. This is the world we are in. Just from plain Word text document, I'm creating this extremely amazing informational video within minutes. It's a 7-minute video. So I'm going to play.
What we're going to do. See, the key isn't some kind of brute force math. It's all about using this powerful set of tools, our trigonometric identities. So think of our time here.
I've downloaded this video so you can see in its entirety. So from all the way from here, I have 7 minutes worth of video. So here it is, the complete video. And as you can see, it starts with core trigonometric identities, building your toolkit, all of this with perfect slides, colors in identities, reciprocal identities, primary conversion tools, and all of this. Let's play for a little bit.
They come straight from the good old Pythagorean theorem, and they are absolutely essential anytime you're dealing with squared functions. And here it is, the absolute cornerstone. I'd say this is probably the most important, most significant identity in all of trigonometry. Sine squared of theta plus cosine squared of theta times always equals 1. It's simple, it's elegant, and
it says this one little equation is the parent of the other Pythagorean equations, which is really fun. It also giving me various manipulations, handy tricks. What does it say? Handling tricky angles, negative and cofunctions. It's creating simple icons, and all of this is done within minutes. Again, there is a chance because it's mathematics, it will make some mistakes. I would highly recommend going through each and every slide, if you will, to take a look and see. Oh, as you can see, the equal to sign is missing here. So such things do happen because it's AI, but can you imagine creating something like this just by one click of a button? This is outstanding. Again, I'm giving you an example of mathematics, but you can have any other document and help it generate amazing overview. Let me show you what I just did. I was actually working on the video of OpenAI's new tool, which is study mode, and I've created a video overview for that. Oops, no, I don't want to create one more. I do have, yes, you do run out of credits. I'm using a free version, and here is my OpenAI's quick video, and it talks about the study mode, why is it important, the science of study, the core behavior, student feedbacks. It's also creating those nice slides. So this is a fun way of keeping students engaged and using all these AI tools to enhance your teaching and learning. Again, this is so much fun. I will leave a link in the description box below for the video that I've just created so you can take a look and see what it actually is. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and share. Until next time, happy teaching. Please take care of yourself. And again, this AI never stops. This is just one tool after the other, one improvement after the other. So here we are.